Ipso jure is a Latin term that means, by the law itself. It refers to a situation where the law automatically applies, without any action required by the parties involved. When a person dies without a will, their property will pass to their heirs ipso jure. If a contract is found to be illegal, it is considered void ipso jure. When a company goes bankrupt, its assets are distributed among its creditors ipso jure. These examples illustrate how ipso jure operates automatically, without any need for the parties involved to take action. In each case, the law applies by itself and determines the outcome.